Hey, hi dear Libras, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general reading for all the year 2022 for all the Libras, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general, okay, and it's predictive. It's going to happen like month-wise, yeah. So what I'm going to cover is overall energy or theme of 2022, the obstacles and challenges that you're going to face, the overall career, your overall health, your love life, love or single, if you're in relationship or single, your 12-month card, general reading, and the guidance for 2022. Let's start, honey. Libras, what will be your theme for 2022? Overall energy for Libras for 2022. Let's see, honey. Okay, relax. Okay, calm down. Let's see, Libras, what's happening, your overall theme for year 2022. Eight of Swords. Okay, it's a typical Libra thing that I got here, typical air sign thing that I got here. So what will be your theme? You have to come out of this mental jail. You have created so many mental blocks. You can easily come out of this situation, but you are not willing to come out of this situation. So for you in 2022, it is going to be a main theme to come out of your head and listen to your heart. Okay, this is the main thing. I can see that mostly in this year you have to come out of the situation where you are creating a jail and you are feeling like you are bounded by something. No matter how hard you're trying, you can't come out of this. You can. You just need to remove the this blindfold from your eyes and you'll be okay. Okay, let's see the obstacles and challenges that you have to face in 2022, Libra. The obstacles and challenges that you have to face. Knight of Swords. Okay, don't rush into anything. Don't rush into making any kind of decision in your life. I can see you rushing towards something very eagerly, then regretting that. So don't rush into any kind of decision. Don't rush into any kind of job. Don't rush into any kind of stupid relationship or something. It's like, stop rushing, stop being in a hurry, stop being pushing yourself too hard, and it's like taking wrong decisions. So this is going to be a challenge for 2022. You have to stop yourself from being impatient. Okay, don't be impatient. Patience is the key here. Typical Swords energy, air energy. Eight of Swords and Knight of Swords. Cool. Let's see how your overall career is going to be in 2022, Libra. Your overall career in 2022. Let's see. Six of Swords. Finally, I can see peace in your life. So, I feel like you will get good work. Better than the previous year. I can see some kind of peace coming in. You are moving forward towards a better future regarding your career. I can see you making efforts. I see this guy is trying his best to move forward towards a better future, right? So yes, I can see that in your career you are going to do good. Although you will still carry past baggages or past experiences with you regarding the career life, but I can see you moving forward towards a peaceful future career wise. How is your overall health gonna be, Libras? Your overall health in 2022, how it is gonna be? Queen of Swords. Are you kidding me? You are getting all the swords of the universe. What the hell is happening? So in finally I can see you getting very clear and honest with your intentions, what you want in your life, who you want in your life, what is your life's purpose and motto and everything. It's like health wise, I can see this is a health card, right? I can see you getting better, much better. And if you are going through a surgery or some kind of knife under a knife or something, you will recover very fastly. It's like very fast moving energy that I can feel here. So you have to work on your heart chakra. You have to work on your heart chakra and third eye chakra. in your health sector, because I can see that like you are going to be very very clear and honest with yourself. Okay, I understand, and you are going to be like, I am the queen of the world and I know what I want and I know how to do it. No, if you have to take help from others, like health wise, please do that. And you have to work on your root chakra, your third eye chakra and your heart chakra. Okay, honey, then see if you're single how your life is going to be in 2022. If you're single, let's see. Page of Cups, new love is coming in your life, or you are going to love somebody again. It's like new love is coming to you, love offer is coming to you, Libra, if you are single. And if you are already in a relationship, let's see what is coming to you. If you are already in a relationship, let's see. The Empress. Ooh, I can see you moving forward in this connection with that person. Might be your wife or your spouse get pregnant, might be you will become a father, and I can see some good news coming in, commitment coming in, might be marriage for some of you. Empress card is significator of moving forward one step ahead of whatever you are doing right now in your relationship. Okay, good. Now I'll pull cards for your 12 months, Libra. Let's see. Excited or what? Jan, Feb, March, what is happening with you, Libras? Let's see. Jan, Feb, March, Libras. Jan, Feb, March, Libra. Okay. Jan, Feb, March. I see in Jan you're waiting for something or someone very very eagerly. Might be you're waiting for your stuck money to come. Might be you're waiting for work to come in your life. Might be because this is Pentacles and you are just waiting and you're looking at the Pentacles. You have a little pentacle, you know, one pentacle at your side as well, but you're not looking at that. It's like you are hoping for something better in your life. So it's like waiting for something. Okay. In Feb, I can see you holding back a lot, trying to control your emotions, trying to control yourself, trying to control whatever you have. It's like control freak, and it's like not sharing with anybody. It's like, yeah, I have this problem, but I'm not going to share with anybody because it's going to make me vulnerable or something. So it's like holding back a lot. Okay, especially in your emotional life. Although this is the card of Pentacle, I'm getting your emotional life is suffering from in Feb. Sorry. March, I see a reconciliation happening. You're going to celebrate something. It's like you're going to meet somebody after a long time, might be, and you're really going to enjoy the reconciliation, enjoy with this particular person. Might be you are going to get some kind of project, or might be you're going to get some kind of work that is going to make you feel really happy. March is good. Let's see what is happening in April, May and June. Let's see. Oh God, what is happening in April, May and June? April, May, June. Wow. April, I can see stuck energy again. I can see you changing your perspective about something or someone. You're trying to change your point of view, you know, regarding something or someone in your life, and it's like kind of spiritual growth. It's not awakening, actually, I should say growth. Some kind of spiritual growth. One step forward in your spiritual growth, I can see in April. Okay. May, I see you offering something to someone, or some kind of offer is coming towards you, but I don't know why I'm getting this vibe of you are going to offer something to someone. Okay, might be a relationship offer, might be a love offer, might be something that you are ready to give to somebody now. Although on a friendship level, although on a surface level only, I don't think this is deep, but yes, you are ready. You are ready for something. Okay, May, June. Brilliant work offer is coming your way. Brilliant new love offer is coming your way. It's like it could be related to, mostly it is related to work. Some kind of new project, some kind of new work, some kind of new thing is entering your life. It's like, wow, good project, good thing, new offer. July, August, September, let's see. Libras. July, August, September. July, August, September. July, you will be having lots of options in your life and you will be confused what to choose, what to choose, what to do. Might be you will be confused in your professional or personal life. Might you will be confused about your love life, might you will be confused about your work life. It is kind of confusion that is like making you feel like not able to take any decision regarding anything in your life. It's like confused energy I can see. Okay, in July, August I can see you being very very defensive and protective, cold and off or detached or something. If you are having a fight with somebody, you are going to stand on your point. It's like, no, this is how it should be, I'm going to be like this, I'm going to do like this, it is like this. Okay, so it's like kind of defensive energy you are going to use in August. September, I can see you spying on somebody or somebody spying on you, or keeping a tabs on you, or you are going to get some good work because of the online things or the social media thing, or you're going to meet somebody new via some social media thing. It's like all about social media thing. It's kind of new opportunity coming in, but you are not using your heart, you are using your head. Again, it's typical Libra energy. Ta-da! Let's see what is happening in October, November and December for you guys. Let's see. Let's see, honey. October, November, December. Okay. October, I can see somebody coming to you. Or like your sex life is going to spice up, or you are going to somebody. It's like, or you're traveling to some foreign country. It could also be a card of travel, action, adventure. So might be a step forward in your career or job or whatever you are doing. So it could be a foreign travel regarding your work. Okay, because this is kind of energy that I'm picking here, that you are going to get some good work and then you are going to go to a foreign country like this. November, some kind of secret coming out. Something is coming out in November, and that's it will might be relieve you. It will might be make you tense or something, or it could also be possible that you are going to finally reveal the truth of something to someone. It's like this kind of sneaky energy that I'm getting here. You have to be beware of thieves. You have to be beware of sneaky people around you in November. December, I can see you working on yourself, working really fucking hard for your money, for your job, for your career, making yourself a good person, making yourself a person of value, of worth. In December, I can see you working really, really fucking hard for getting what you want. It's like all throughout the year, I don't see major things, but yes, you're learning, you're earning, your life is almost smooth in 2022. It's much better than the previous years, 2021 and 2022 Libra. Okay, it's like a learning phase for you. You are learning and you are earning. It's like mostly your theme for 2022 is going to be money. You need money, honey. This is what you want. Let's see your guidance. What is happening? Let's see your guidance. Pull guidance card. Material house. See, you are going to earn lots of money, fucking lots of money. You are going to earn lots of money. You will be like, yeah, I got it. Lots of it. Still, okay, I can see a luxurious phase of life starting from 2022. That's fucking good. Nice. So thank you so much, Libras, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.